Solving multi-step equations. So here we have a multi-step equation. Every time we have an equation, we should look to each side of an equal sign and try and simplify something by doing the distributive property or combining like terms. So here we are going to simplify first because I noticed that there is a -2 by parentheses, meaning that we need to distribute or multiply. So -2 times 3 is -6, and -2 times -2 is +4. We're going to keep the letter x because we are dealing with x. 15 and 46 come down. Then we want to combine like terms. So we have 15 minus 6 that we are going to combine. Notice that we are not going to combine the 46 because even though it is a number without a letter, it is on the opposite side of the equal sign. So we can't combine them. We can only combine like terms that are on the same side. They're part of the same expression. So 15 minus 6 is 9. We are going to keep the +4x and the 46. Don't forget about the equal sign. So now we want to do inverse operations in order to solve this two-step equation. So I am going to now skip the variables on both sides because we don't have any variables on both sides. And I want to isolate the variable group. So because the 4x are together, I want to deal with the 9 first. Because 9 is positive, the inverse would be to subtract. We were adding 9, but now we want to subtract 9. So now I am left with 4x equals, and then 46 minus 9, which is equal to 37. So my last step is to isolate the variable, and my variable is attached to the 4. Because it is being multiplied, we want to undo multiplication, which means division because those are inverses. So I need to subdivision on both sides. So I am left with 1x, or just the letter x, equal to 37 divided by 4, which I can leave as an improper fraction, or if I am using a calculator, I will get 9.25.